Research question: does giving a PPO policy and effector contact force information
Alright, we are live.
excessive force penalty actually improve safety and peg insertion, or is that redundant when policy already has exact relative pose knowledge? 6 week plan, sudden status week second, third. So policy A geometry, three seeds, nominal, evaluation, force, result table, failure.
Let me ask this to simplify this.
So what are the next? So decide policy AD implementation strategy. Yeah, help me. Okay, I'm gonna share my screen as well, right? So that would be
You are running it on DJX?
yes.
Oh yeah, share your screen.
Yeah. So I'm just gonna pick it out so that I could sharing my other sensitive. Oh, should I? Is there anything else sensitive over here? No, I guess nothing sensitive as much. Okay. Let me just share my what the fuck screen. Okay, yeah. I think you can see my screen now.
Right. Oh, I can just see the terminal.
Yeah, that's what I think we have, right? What do you want to do you want me to share the VS Code one? Cause I can.
Yeah, VS Code and the Markdown.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I got you. Wait, VS Code and the Markdown. New window, connect to host. Zeus is online. Okay, let me just stop here.
And whatever you're doing, do like a separate branch on that Git.
Okay, yeah. All right, we'll do that. And open Jax. And what was the name? Policy RL. Okay, yes. I trust the folder. And you want me to share. Dude, I would say stop sharing your screen first. I will share
Mm-hmm.
mine first and then start sharing your screen so that I can pop your screen out. Like there's a bug that I just figure out that I can only select something. Yeah, there we go. Share. Now, yeah, now you can start sharing your screen.
Wait, I have to.
And now I guess the time has come that I should increase my resolutions to crazy by default.
Okay, your screen is on the stream now.
All right, yeah, cool.
So what are you doing?
Uh, wait, let me
Yeah,
just.
open the next 10 steps Markdown
Okay.
in Docs. Open Docs in your Explorer.
Open docs and
The next 10 steps and Command Shift V
Command Shift V. Wait.
on the Markdown, bro. Click on the Markdown.
Okay,
Yeah.
over here and then Command Shift V.
No. In click on the thing. Yeah, click over here and then Command Shift V.
Oh, damn. New shortcut unlocked. You know that. Okay, so continuous from today is today next step dot md step 1 to 10 all done as of 2026. Do you want me to zoom in or it looks
Yeah, Command plus plus and close your right chat window because you're not gonna use it anyway.
all right? Well, got you.
Command plus plus. Not that much, bro.
Mm-hmm. Good.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
So continues from today. Today, next chapter, step 1 to 10, all done. Right? Instance management, external project scaffold, forge, fork, proven bit identical to upstream for component, reward logging, verified TensorBoard live. For the project docs, own training sequence, step 3, add your logging is now done. This is where policy A starts matching week 3 of the 6 week plan. Two things worth knowing before starting. Found while reading the fork code for this plan. So okay. So the two things that we are discussing over here, one of the thing is the observation order. So over here it talks about the observation order in which there is a set of array and each array has its own element of array, right? So to elaborate,
Array? What are you talking about? Array?
yeah, like this thing is an array, like fixed position, rel, fixed. This is a tensor array,
Uh-huh. Oh yes, yes.
right? So this is
Mm-hmm.
also tensor array. This is also tensor array. This is also tensor array. This is also tensor array, and that this becomes a multi-dimensional tensor array, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now, wait. Let me just open. I want to temp py over here for time being. And how do we? Wait. What the fuck? How do we split? Do you know how to split it over here?
Just drag your thing on the right. Yeah.
Oh, there we go. Right. So over here, what I'm talking about is Forge env. Are you able to see? Right, you are able to see
Yeah.
what
Yeah.
you're typing env cfg dot obs underscore order is an array with multiple arrays inside it. Right,
Mm-hmm.
and each array over here represents these fingertips. Finger position relative fixed is gonna be an array, right?
Mm-hmm.
And we can put this array as a tensor because it could be a n-dimensional tensor, something like that, right?
Mm-hmm.
So this is what we have over here now. Because forge ship force aware by default, our unmodified fork is already close to policy D. Now what is policy D over here? We have to take a look at that. Do
Mm-hmm.
you know where is policy D? Or do wait,
Let's look at the force aware peg insertion project.md. Second last. In
um,
the bottom, in the bottom,
the
in the
bottom
bottom.
one,
Yeah.
this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Command shift 3.
Force
And go
insertion with a reinforcement layer, a portfolio project using NVIDIA ISAC Lab, Frank.
just search policy D over here. Command F.
Okay, policy D. Okay,
Yeah.
so yeah, let's focus on what it is saying over here. So it's saying our unmodified fork is already close to policy D, force observation plus force penalty. So force
Mm-hmm.
observation and excessive force penalty purpose test the complete hypothesis. So minimal experiment standard. Train each policy with at least 3 random seeds. Evaluate every checkpoint on same deterministic episode seeds and report mean and standard.
Mean and standard deviation.
Report success and force metrics together. Include representative failure videos, and one visually immersive episode is not evidence. Okay, so okay, now a building policy A means subtracting from the fork, not adding to a blank slate. The reverse of how 15-step list reads: add force observation in step 6 if taken too literally. So now where is policy A? It's gonna be up, I guess. Okay, policy A. Policy.
Configuration.
A.
Yeah, that's.
But where is policy? Are we not defining any policy A? Oh yeah, there we
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Over there. Baseline.
go. Mm-hmm.
What the fuck?
Nothing, nothing. But I'm
Yeah.
just trying to expand it a bit. Follow me. Okay, okay. Let me just close this because taking up space, right? And I'm gonna expand it a bit more.
Yes.
Right.
Yes.
So now we have
That's good.
geometry baseline. That is for policy A. So over in this baseline, we had no force observation, right?
Hmm.
And no force penalty and nominal success. That was our like metrics that we were trying to figure out, right? So okay, so this policy was like force observation and no penalty, but for some reason this tensor had that force aware by default, and
Hmm.
that's why this experiment went wrong, I guess, right? So this experiment was not close to what we are expecting for policy A. Do you get it?
Hmm.
Do you get it right?
I know. I know. It means like the two tensors that we were using
Mhm.
additionally to train were not supposed to be used for policy A,
Yeah.
so that we could draw like an observation.
Yeah. So I think what we might have to do is let me just
We have to subtract it. That's what it says.
yeah. So
We
let me
have to subtract those two for policy A.
okay. So docs
पॉलिसी बनाने के लिए हमें सब्ट्रैक्ट करना
docs
पड़ेगा ऑब्जर्वेशन से हटाना है और
this the two things
फोर्स
that
पेनल्टी को करना है प्रोजेक्ट डॉग में जो स्टेप लिखा है यार कुछ ऑब्जर्वेशन स्टेप से वो थोड़ा मिसलीडिंग लग सकता है मैं डायरेक्टली फॉलो कर रहा हूँ वहां से लगता है ये बेस में
all E and V
फोर्स निकाल के पॉलिसी
we are by default.
Can you also no like first can you ask it to you know tell us basically what and how are we using these six tensor arrays
Okay.
that it has mentioned to train and yeah just ask it that first.
Okay. Dot observation order.
And can you make your screen a little like font size a little bigger?
I got you. I'm just gonna put the information. Can you enlighten us on the structure of the tensor and how each variable is being used? Got it.
Yeah.
By the way, we are not running any cloud models. Today we are going to try how models like Quinn perform on
Mm,
our agentic task, and are they any good? If
I
they're not,
see.
if they're not, like this is kind of an experiment as well, since you are also doing the same thing in your environment, but you are using a cloud
Mm,
model. So I just wanted to get a benchmark of like, do we need those frontier models, or is
mm,
these kind of model like the model that are trained on lower parameters and have a shorter context window more than enough for our
mm.
day-to-day work? That's what my goal is as well for today's stream. So Yeah, this would be a good experiment. Okay, yeah, let me take a look at what our agent is doing.
Mm.
Okay, so yeah, the agent is definitely reading everything out over there. So at the same point, can I split? Yes, I can definitely split it. And I want to take it the metrics. Uh, what do we have? Okay, we are burning. We're at 91%. We can,
But we're not even running anything right now. Why is it 91%?
because we are using local LLM, brother.
Oh.
Local LLM. I told you Quen. That's why we are using Quen
Mm.
to see how it does. Okay, okay, yeah, yeah. Oh, damn. We have information, right? So let me just close this one out. You know, need this one. And all right. So I think this is something that we have already seen in this config.py file earlier. So we have our observation order list that act as a tensor, and that tensor has one, two, three, four, five, six variables with three dimensions, four dimensions, and the other three all are also three dimensions, and the force threshold is only a single dimension, right? So the actor observation is built in Forge env.py,
Oh, yes, yes, yes. Okay, I remember this.
right?
Position 0 to 2, key, observation index, fingertip, dimensions 3, noisy fingertip position, noisy fixed position. Okay, none. I see. I see. What did you ask it again?
I have not as anything else. Like it's still doing the job right in the background. The agent reported us back with its information. Good. The agent report confirms everything I traced directly from the code. There is one correction to note in my earlier answer. Previous action has seven dimensions, matching the config dot action space. That is seven, not six as I calculated. Claude.md actor observation of 24 dimensions was correct. So actor observation, that is 3 plus 4 plus 3, 3 plus 1. These are our dimensions plus 7 previous actions. That sums up to 24. And then our critic state, that has 3, 4, 3, 3, 4, 3, 7, 3, 3, 4, 3, 4, whatever it is. And it sums up to 61 dimensions.
Mm.
Sorry, 60, yeah, 61 dimensions. That's how the structure looks like. Now let's dive into a bit deeper into the structure. So our cumulative dimension for our key fingertip position relative fixed is n comma 3. And how is it getting computed? That is going to be noisy fingertip minus noisy fixed position. So we are going to pass on these two variables or tensors with the value. And I think these tensors have three values over here, like three coordinates x, y, z. And that's why the dimension is n comma 3 over here, since we need to know like
Mm.
dimensional position of that object, like where does the fingertip stands in that environment. And we have
Mm.
the noisy fingertip quant. What was quant? You said something I do not remember.
Quaternion.
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 Quaternion. Right? That is x, y, z, and w.
Yeah.
Right? Then we have our linear velocity again along three dimensions, and
Mhm.
angular velocity again along three dimensions. And then we have our force. Force is also along three dimensions, since we have to identify like x is the force coming from x direction, y direction, what kind of force is it, and how each variable is used, right? So we have fingertip position relative fixed, and primary spatial signal where gripper tip sets related to the whole. The entire policy where behavior depends on this.
Okay. I'll send you a prompt.
Okay.
But in the meanwhile, just create a separate branch for today's work.
Okay, yeah, check out to
A different branch and name it like today's date or something.
work slash today's date.
Give me 1 second. Are you on that branch?
Yes, I'm on that branch.
What
20.
are these two changes that you have in your Git, in your thing?
I think the changes are regarding, yeah, temp.py and
Oh, okay.
claude.updates. Like there was something that was updated by the system. So, but anyways, I'm not gonna let me put temp.py.
Git ignore.
Git ignore temp.py and git ignore, because this is like this was for explanation purposes.
And remove the plan mode, bro. We're in plan mode.
Oh.
Oh, bro, but hmm. Oh no, I think we should be fine. I think you would have to install Isaac Lab on DJX Spark.
No, it's
Or
installed.
huh?
Isaac Lab.
Installed
Yeah, yeah, it's already installed.
the framework.
Yeah, 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 the Isaac Lab is framework. Everything is already
I'm
installed.
not talking about Isaac Sim.
Yeah, yeah, I did install. I have that complete container, right? Isaac.
Oh, we have some people in the chat.
Oh my god.
Which policy are you training? Diffusion, ACT, or something else? Proximal policy optimization, brother. And that is the reinforcement learning. And we are training. What is the policy? I don't know. What policy are we training?
I think we are training on different scenarios. Like we have. Wait, I can show you that. Hold on. Where is it?
Morning, night. It's nighttime at in New York right now, brother.
Oh my god. This was the one, right? The class one concept. So we are training today force penalty. Sorry, force aware, where we are gonna have force observation as yes and force penalty as yes. So basically, what we're trying to do is we have like a peg, and we are trying to insert it inside a hole or something like that. And in that scenario, we are trying to put different kind of scenarios. Like for some policies, there will be no force observation. For some policies, there will be force applied, right? So we did try to run some training samples, and unfortunately, in those training samples, the policies were not implemented that accurately. So because of which we have an issue. The issue is the policy that we trained earlier, I think yesterday, had force observation and force penalty on by default, and that's why we are
No,
not.
that was for the regression testing, so that was correct.
Oh
But the
no,
only
no,
thing is,
that was for is that, or because we did train something yesterday, right, or not?
bro, that training was just a smoke test.
Oh, okay, okay.
So we haven't started our original training yet. Now the
Oh,
policy A that we are going to train is going to be our first training.
oh, okay, 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 okay. Makes sense, makes sense.
All right, I'm sending you the prompt.
Right. Hey, wait. You know what? I can do another thing, I guess. Hold on.
What like code share,
VS.
live share.
Yeah, yeah. VS Code live share. Where is it? It's in the extension, right? VS Code live share.
Microsoft.
Which one is it, dude? Do you know?
Yeah, it's Microsoft.
Microsoft.
No, live share by Microsoft.
Oh, live share by Micro.
Yeah, that one
Yeah, that's
second.
all right.
Yeah, first. Yeah.
That's all right. Perfect. I think this will basically solve our issue, I guess, and you will be able to get the access, right? So I have installed it now. Do you know how do I?
Left on your left sidebar. Yeah,
All right, share, read,
share, read, and write.
and okay, okay. We are in. So
Copy,
copy. Okay, it's copied. Now I'm gonna send it.
send it to me.
Okay, yeah. Let me know if you're able to access it. Oh, yeah, but then this will solve our problem all at once, right? Like you wanted to have control and you wanted to write prompt, everything, right?
Bro, wait. I am.
Are you able to get in?
Wait.
Yes, Shaurat Tiwari has joined the collaboration session. There we go. I think you might need. I think I would have to give you the permissions for terminal, I guess.
Oh, did it override my? What the fuck? It override.
What? What happened?
Wait. Okay, I've requested.
Yes. Make there we go. Now you can play.
Where did you go? Wait.
I'm not controlling you. You are in control now. I will be on the other terminal, right?
But this is like completely messed up for me. Like
You cannot what?
I cannot see properly. Like, oh, I can type.
You can do. What are you not able to see? Like, are you not able to like? Are
Like
you?
it's all like jumbled up. Like all the letters are jumbled up in my terminal.
Oh, okay. So I think you can do a clear, maybe something. Wait, yeah, we can do a clear, and then we can start from scratch. Let me do clear. Yeah, I think now it should. Uh, yeah. How is it?
I mean, it's fine.
Still is jumbled up or something like that?
Let me see if this works.
Should we put a image of DJ Spark inside our stream, like in the corner?
That's what I was trying to do,
So you did it or not?
In the stream.
Yeah, like in the stream in the corner, like at the corner you have my picture, your picture, and then in the corner an image of DJ Spark.
Uh, yeah. Okay. So Shubham, yes, it is reinforcement learning. And we are using a DJX Spark. And next question is, how was the experience with Brev? I'm going to use it soon. Brev is decent. It's not bad.
But it's like slow, I would say. Like it will take a lot of time to spin up and spin down, and
Uh,
it's gonna be like I would say tedious to work with it, because once it spins up, then you would have to set up everything again and follow every other procedure that you have to, and sometimes it might crash. So
can you show your screen?
oh, uh, wait, my bad.
Okay. Would you like me to proceed with implementing these steps? Oh, bro, because you cleared the conversation. Uh,
Okay, so force aware the
bro,
detailed.
I would say just like, can you just use Cloud Code, bro? This is like, it's gonna take a lot of time because
Okay, I can switch to plot code. There we go.
and Sonnet 5.
Yeah, it's gonna be Sonnet 5 only, dude. Don't worry.
No, I can see it as Opus 5.
No, it's Opus 5, but it will be Sonnet 5 for sure. I will show you why.
Okay.
I'm not paying for Sonnet or Opus anyways, but that's fine. Okay, yeah, there we go. So now what do you want?
Okay. And
Or do you want to paste something?
let me do this. Not logged in.
Oh shit. Give me a minute.
You don't have Cloud Code Pro?
I have. But I do not have the max plan right now because of DGX Spark. Like Sonnet 5 works for me pretty decent. What if I need? Okay, there we go. Authorize.
Your screen.
Yeah, I'm gonna bring it back. Okay, there we go. I'm in, and okay. So let's test. Yeah, there we go. I think the skills are getting verified or something.
I would say like I cannot see it properly, so it's very. I don't think I
What are
want
you?
to do this.
What are you seeing right now?
I'm seeing everything is very jumbled up. Like all the text is pretty jumbled up. I cannot read anything in that.
Hmm.
And turn on your auto mode, bro. Please.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna turn it on. My bad. Is it because we are too zoomed in? Is that why it's jumbled up? Because
Okay, zoom out. Try zooming out.
yeah, that might be the reason.
No, that just made it worse.
Can you share a screenshot of what you're seeing? Like, okay, I think I ran away again.
Look at this.
Okay. Verdict: skip. No runtime surface. Claim: no implementation task was actually carried out in the session yet. The long context message described a planned policy, ablation, termination fix, and the get done's, force observation, toggle flags, new task registration, Sharia force spec insert policy, a direct VO, and asked me to proceed. But I hadn't started coding when verify was invoked. Okay, blah blah blah. Method checked. Yes, we are ready. Yes. Actual implementation. Yes. So,
Look at that, bro. In your iMessage.
okay. Oh, I see. I see. Maybe I think if you open, can you open a side terminal? Can you ask? Can you open a side terminal right now by your own? And let's see if it still gets jumbled up.
It's not letting me open another terminal.
Okay, dude, you just
Oh yeah, it did.
dude, it's gonna do.
Okay.
Like, you have full control over it. What I found, no SXM package. Oh, okay, okay, yeah. No.
No, bro, this is not gonna. I think this is only good for. What is it saying?
I think I do not have on this machine. My bad.
Bro, I was telling you.
Don't worry, bro. It's gonna be quick. This machine is pretty fast. I would just say that.
Mm, Bro, Fitbit is actually pretty good.
Mm.
The AI assistant is also very good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Samina Mina like Kareva. This one's for Africa. Samina Mina like Kareva. This one's for Africa. What happening, bro? What's happening?
It's installing.
And bro, make sure you don't push the Isaac lab code. Like, I don't wanna fucking pull that code in my MacBook.
Isaac lab code means okay. I will put. Okay, I will make sure of that. Don't worry.
And yeah, I just want to understand how does that Isaac lab code look.
Hmm. So wait, you are saying that don't put it, push it, but you still want to understand it.
Like, I don't want to, bro. Like the framework Isaac lab is very big.
Hmm. Okay, okay.
Look at that.
Found the real answer is an actual checkout patch confirmed to exist. The same version of it running. It targets blah blah blah. And so that not the older. I was chasing with me. Okay, does it have this model layout?
Yes, recommended.
Wait,
Yes.
wait. Recommended, but okay. We'll quite know about that. Dude, did my roommate left for Kansas? Fuck. That could that could occur.
Oh, it's 95
What's 95?
INR dollar.
Oh yeah.
I transferred some money. I got the 94 rate.
Interesting.
$2,100 at $94, 94 rupees. Bro, I love my area, bro.
You love?
My area where I live.
Oh, okay, okay. Like in New York.
Yeah,
Mm.
it's absolutely beautiful, and like that's the only reason I don't wanna live anywhere else.
Mm.
What is that?
Except,
Brother, you told me you installed
dude, it
everything.
was on the other machine. My bad, bro. My bad. I thought, but it's gonna be not. It's not gonna take that long. It's almost done. It's now running Isaac Lab.
Now it's gonna install, bro.
It's gonna be quick. I have spawned multiple agents. I'm gonna hit my limit soon. No worries.
Why do you not have? You don't have max plan.
Dude, why should I have max plan? Like, I don't think I would require like
You
such kind
just
of
need
thing.
it right now.
No, bro. I think we can do it without that. If we why do we need this max plan right now? We are trying to understand and learn, right? Like I would trying to automate it completely. But I do have Chat GPT's max plan, so I can connect Chat GPT as well. Hmm. Being said, but I won't be able to share Chat GPT with you. That's the problem.
That's bullshit.
Oh, bullshit?
Yeah,
Whatever.
because the tire exploded on my car.
Holy shit. Where have you been then? Like, have you stuck somewhere?
We
Or?
were stuck somewhere waiting for a tow truck to show up so we could get the car and bring it home. Let's just say it's full story in the morning. It's a tale and a half. A lot of things happened. But to sum it up, the tire exploded. So whoever put on the lug nuts on the thing, lost break the nuts, so they snapped off. So we had snapped off, and the spare tire was completely trashed. Well, my thoughts exactly. So that happened. We're now here. We were just at a dealership. Not dealership. We were at
Mechanic.
a tire shop with cool people. Wildest story of my life that had happened then. But there, we'll get the tire. We're back. The car works.
Nice. So we are back on track. And you're gonna have your dinner right now. Fuck. You could have like went to release of that.
Dude, we were doing all the time. We stopped one place. We were getting dropped off by the trucker, the guy who picked us, really nice. He was willing to let us stop, but we didn't think about it because we were just like,
Yeah.
yeah. And then by the time we got there, we got the tire thrown on, and at that point, we're going home. She's going to the bath. I'm gonna make food, and I'm gonna go sleep. I'm tired.
Dude, you making food that's unreal. Like if I would have a talent day like you, I would have got something from somewhere.
Dude, I was very tempted, but like, no. Yeah, I just dropped $457 on the entire full repair of the
Oh,
tires.
it was fucking $500.
$400.
Yeah.
So no, I'm good.
No.
I have money, but I'm certainly very broke at the moment. Because emergent repairs are a bitch.
Yeah. Yep.
We're back here.
Yeah.
We're alive. I didn't lose another car.
That's all it matters. Dude, are you not taking a look at this? You do not have
I
to.
am, bro, because you were away.
But you could have like approved it, right, or not?
I cannot, bro. I cannot see that shit anywhere.
Oh, okay. Don't worry, bro. I will have some kind of fix. within 2 days. Like I'm still working on it, but I will have something. I'm thinking about a lot of things, but only. So it says seven termination conditions, but only success, timeout, force limit have signal, real signals or thresholds, Ubuntu, Earth anywhere in the code, peg drop, joint limit, jammed would require me to invent numerical thresholds, drop weight, workspace, bounds, margins, jam heuristics, and that don't exist anywhere. Guessing wrong could cause spuriously early termination.
I
That
have no idea what it's asking, bro. I think it's saying that it's gonna add some. Oh, okay, termination condition. Okay, 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 okay. I understand
it's
this.
gonna update the termination condition. So it's so in
Yes, yes, yes.
learning,
But right now, okay, right now the termination condition is just the time limit.
yes,
The 10
it's gonna put
time limit.
early stopping. Like if the peg insertion.
Yeah. So that yes, yes, yes. Implement. Yes,
Yes,
yes.
yes, I know. That's what I was gonna say, but it's fine.
Oh fuck this shit. My legs are so sore. Fuck.
Because of running.
Yeah, bro. I ran really fast today because that was like a marathon
Mm-hmm.
right outside my place
Mm-hmm. So you ran with.
going on. Yeah, so I ran along with them
Mm-hmm.
and I ran really fast because I had like competitive spirits today. So
Mm-hmm.
I think this was my best record till now. 2.5 mile in 23 minutes.
My God.
Shots, shots, everybody. What happened, bro? What's going on?
Running, dude, it's running some smoke test over there. So it's doing its job. Don't worry, it's going to, if we have some issue, I will let you know. I'm also like setting up the other thing that I've been discussing. I think I have some kind of breakthrough, so I'm just trying to make sure that that breakthrough is okay, bro. Try this. This should work. And if it does not, then put this to accept the route.
It's not loading.
Okay, put this in your command line.
Where?
In your
Anywhere?
yeah, in your command line anywhere. Tail skill is already set up.
Okay.
Done.
Yeah, reloaded it.
Okay, and now try it again.
Not working.
What are you getting? Like, can you show me a screen?
Nothing. Nothing. It's just loading.
Well, this is a serious architectural conflict. Okay, we have an architectural conflict going on. I think there was some kind of file that was wrong or something. Let's
Mm,
see.
bro. Bro, you're gonna run out of credits for sure.
Let's see. Can you reload that page if you are able to?
At a real architectural broker, where an adoption actually requires all units to wait. Don't accept this.
I'm not accepting.
NVID is always cover every map or nation or breaks this. Yeah, accepted.
Dude, can you reload the URL once?
It's not working, bro. I reloaded it 5 times.
Yeah, what is it doing over there? Like, is it loading or
None. It's not loading.
it's not loading?
I am connected to your tail scale network.
I know. That's what I'm trying to figure out. Trying to figure out. I have exposed the network, and still I'm not able to see. So I'm trying to see what is the 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
Shut the fuck up. Bro, what?
Yeah.
Can you remove that MKJN room somehow from the Secure Stream Studio?
Who?
MKJN room, because that is also feeding the stream.
Yeah, bro. I think that's a fucking bug. We cannot.
I think then I'll have to stop the stream. Fuck me, bro. Fuck me. Oh,